So, are EVs doing gas cars a favor? Let's talk about that. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I wanted to discuss an observation that I've made, and I wanted to kind of get your take on this. What do you, as my viewers, think about this this statement that gas cars are being positively influenced by EVs in a number of ways? And let me explain what I mean by that. The presence of EVs in the world vehicle market it's changed some things, and some of this is federal regulation that's made these changes as well, and things such as energy efficiency and emissions. So for instance, I'll bring up Mazda as a good example of this. Mazda with their Skyactiv engines and that have been leading the way in energy efficiency. Hyundai right now has developed a variable valve duration valve train for their engines, which has increased efficiency and improved emissions and increased power all at the same time. And we've even got things like aerodynamics and that. Also even marketing. It's more and more cars now you order online, and that was ushered in by Tesla. Oh goodness. Things like large screens. Ford is a good example. They're going to large screens, and not just on the Mach-E. They're putting larger and larger screens in their normal cars, as are other manufacturers. I find it funny. The Koenigsegg Gemera uses a Model 3 screen. I mean, it's a Model 3 screen. Same driver's quadrant on the left, the same icons on the bottom, map in the center. Same little instructions here and there, and it is a Model 3 screen. So I find that fascinating. Christian von Koenigsegg, the owner of the company, actually owns a Tesla as his daily driver. And so I find it fascinating that not just Tesla, but EVs as a whole are very much influencing the gas car market. And those of you that have been with the channel for a while know that I'm a mechanically inclined person. I kind of like gas engines in that I like the mechanical aspect of them. I don't like paying for gas. I don't like reduced reliability. I don't like dumping emissions into the air. But there's certain things about it. First off, most electric cars are charged by burning of coal or whatever anyway, so they're not emissions free unless you live in an area with clean power. So there's that. But also there's just something about the visceral aspect of hearing an engine run and a shifting transmission and all that I appreciate. But some of it is just nostalgic for me, and I'm enjoying seeing things moving more and more in the EV direction. We are currently a 2 EV family, and we actually have a third on order. So we have my 2018 long-range rear-wheel drive Tesla Model 3 that I'm driving today. We have a 2014 Smart Electric Drive, little car that we got for our 16-year-old son to drive. And then just a couple days ago, we ordered a Mini Cooper SE, which is their new electric car. And I think it's the world's only electric hot hatch. But anyway, we're moving more and more toward pure EV family. We're also looking at potentially going with solar this year, probably Tesla solar. And so I really love the EV direction, and I've been manufacturing extremely high-end electric bicycles for a decade now, and I've been very committed to the electric propulsion thing for a number of years. But I do there's certain aspects of gas engines that I like, and I find it fascinating, again, that we see that EVs are very much influencing gas cars. So what are your thoughts on this? I mean, I know most of my viewers would say, I just want gas cars to go away. I want them to disappear. And I get it. I totally get it, and we are heading in that direction. But what are your thoughts? Are you pleased that gas cars are being influenced, and that legacy auto manufacturers are stepping up their game with their gas cars to kind of keep up a bit with EVs? is it upsetting to you, and would you rather just see them go away and you don't even want to discuss it? I mean, what are your thoughts? My mindset on this is any improvement in emissions and improvement in efficiency, any of it is a good thing. So anyway, just my thoughts for the day. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hey, I have an update coming up about our Mini Cooper SE. We were initially told it would be June or July that we would be taking delivery. I have a potential update on that, as well as revealing the spec that we are receiving. So keep your eyes tuned in for that. Also, the adjustable screen mount kits. For those that don't know, I manufacture a kit that takes the Model 3 screen, lowers it 1.75 inches, tips it forward 9 degrees, and you can mount it either parallel with the dash like stock, or it can angle and sweep to the side to pitch it more toward the driver. That's a 2-piece machined aluminum mount kit that I've been selling since October, and I've had many requests for a right-hand drive kit. That's coming. That is coming. And so I actually have a working prototype that I've been testing, and I'll be working on a couple more prototypes to send them out and have beta testers test them for me. So that's coming up as well. So keep your eyes on the channel, and I think that's it for me for today. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Go ahead and subscribe. I've got some cool stuff coming up. And so anyway, thanks a lot. And as always, stay charged. Bye-bye now.